Air conditioning on this 2021 Toyota Vienza hybrid. That's the year. We got the YF refrigerant. And we do have a factory Toyota condenser. And one of the benefits of having a factory Toyota benefit is it comes with the oil. You get the oil to replace for replacing the condenser. You also get the O-rings. And you get the little clip. And if you look down there, this is the one with the clip. This is the one that's always breaking in the body shops, and they leak afterwards if they try to reuse them. So that little guy right there, if you don't get that and you don't do that right, you don't change those O-rings, you end up with a leak and you lose your complete charge of YF refrigerant at $150 a pound, and you have to take apart the bumper off of here to replace that. So you get the first charge, and then you get to get charged again. You get the leak check, and you end up with $500–600 charge because somebody got an aftermarket condenser on other jobs and they didn't get the new O-rings, they didn't get the new plastic clip. And the guys who don't know and just use the little cans, especially if they don't have the oil in it, and this is an electric compressor, so you don't use the cans with the lubricant that comes in it, and they burn up a compressor on here, there's another $2,800 if they burn up the compressor because they don't know what they're doing. This is why you get the OEM. This is a special ester oil that is unlike other ester oils. Do not skip or use a universal. I am telling you that right now. That's it. I'm getting ready to charge this one pretty soon. Let's see. All the battery is working. This is a hybrid. You got to know that this is a hybrid. And yeah, I don't have it on yet. Yeah, that's it. Just OEM condenser. Tell your insurance company or somebody who wants to make you buy an aftermarket one to go to hell. Go pound salt. Go eat shit and die. Go jump off a bridge. But unless you get the oil to go with it, and unless you get the new O-rings and that new clip, if you get an aftermarket condenser, you do not get all this. You just get a condenser. So if you have somebody, a manufacturer or a local sales warehouse selling you aftermarket condensers that need this clip, unless they're going to supply you with the oil, the clip, and the O-rings, you tell them to go pound salt, go get shagged, whatever you want to say. That's it on this one, guys. See ya.